Hi guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store, and today I'm going to show you how to make a plastic bag holder. After having that mess of plastic bags underneath my kitchen sink, I set out to find a way to store them that was space efficient and also nice and neat, and this DIY bag holder fit the bill just perfectly. As always, if you're not already, like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting tutorials, and we can get started.
Cut a 24 by 36 inch rectangle from your fabric and one 5 by 2 inch strip. I am using Richloom Seidu Canyon fabric, which is a medium weight decor fabric. You can make this bag to any size, but for me, this was perfect to fit inside of my front hallway closet. It can be longer or skinnier, whatever you have to do to make the bag fit your space and needs. Pin or clip your fabric with right sides together and sew up the long edge. Fold the smaller strip in half the long way, and with the right sides together, sew up the edge. Then flip the strip right side out. Iron open all of the seams and iron the strip flat. Turn your bag right side out. Fold over the top and bottom edge of the bag a 1/4 inch 2 times to hide the raw edge and iron it in place. Take the small strip and clip it to the top edge on the seam. I'm going to tuck the end just under the fold for a nice, clean finish. This should form a loop so you can hang your plastic bag holder. Fully sew around the top edge of the bag. On the bottom, sew around the edge, but leave a 2-inch opening so you're able to string your elastic through. Cut a 6-inch piece of elastic. And now I have a little trick to help you get the elastic through the channel. Attach safety pins to both ends of the elastic. Then pin one end to the opening and string the elastic through with the other. Sew the ends of the elastic together, and then sew the opening closed. Finally, you can stuff your holder with plastic bags and hang it up.
Thanks for watching this OFS project. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a like, and while you're down there, make sure that you're subscribed for more crafting tutorials, tips, and tricks, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
The materials you will need for this project are a light to medium weight decor fabric, a ruler, a fabric marker, scissors, clips or pins, elastic, thread, an iron and board, and a sewing machine.
Okay.